Hey guys, NOYCE here with another daily recap, and it's yet another red day, so it's fourth red day in a row. Pretty huge red day today, as you can see. I'm below 500 now, so it's a $6.66 loss today. I already tried to play very cautiously, but other than DWAC, the market is pretty trash today, and yeah, really frustrated. So first trade for DWAC, you can see here I got in at 10.89, then I got out at this, so nice 40-cent move, and it opened. Basically I got quite near the top, so yeah, added here, then I got out here thinking this is gonna flush, but it went up. Guess I'm okay with this, but this is even up for another 80 cents, so this makes DWC a losing ticker for me. Then it came down and went all the way back up, but just not my day. As you can see, yeah, it's pretty frustrating today. So I know, goddamn, yeah, I know it's alright. I got in at 7.11 and then scaled somewhere around this level, just a small scalp, just a few cents, nothing much, but it didn't went up also, so at least I got the highest move I can. But yeah, not enough for anything. I was looking to get in a bigger position for anything, but couldn't really see anything. PCL I got in here off the news pop. Then at this candle I'm thinking this could be the pullback and then it'll be ready to go. So I added, see if you can hold 6. But you couldn't hold 6, so got at 567, and basically yeah, that's just how it is. There's a lot of selling off today and a lot of knife, and HX I think I chased it and had to pay for it. So as you can see, HX, yeah, so I think it unhalted. I added at 18. Couldn't really recall, but oh yeah, no, I took some trade earlier, so added at 21, got at 22, nice $1 move here. But in the open, it basically flashed like crazy. So I added 18 thinking it could hold the 18 mark, but no, it went even further to 16, so I got out. And yeah, basically giving back my profit. This is absolutely disgusting. So JRJC was HX sympathy. Should have quite a bit on this. So currently at 858, skip some out, very nice. Got in at 9 again, since HX is moving, so skate out pretty nice, but the last trade was a negative, so maybe break even it a little. Then added at 946 when HX is going crazy, so got out at 97, very nice. So I guess I'm better off trading sympathy stocks, and HX really touched me there. Another one is AGMH. I really chase this AGMH. Chase this a little too bad. So as it's flying up, as you can see the high is 17. I'm hearing AGMH a lot, but I was late to it, so I added in at 15.96. But the next candle, as in this is the candle, you flash out for some reason, and seems like a classic pump and dump, and I guess I was too desperate, so this is very bad. So I got in, then it's very crazy, like it went up to 18 1 second, and then the next second it came back down, so I added at 16, then it came back down, I added more at 14 thinking it could hold. But this is probably bad. If it's above the view up, you're averaging your position, and then if it's below the view up, in a way you're adding to a loser, which is very bad. So basically I got my average down to 15, then it couldn't hold 14 and went even further down, so I have to eventually got out. So a tiny reversal here, almost to 13, but end up it went back down. Really disgusting, as you can see. So another losing trade. DBGI, I think was waiting for a move, but I couldn't really see it. What's the fail? I might go with NXTP first. So yeah, NXTP, pretty nice trade. Got in here as it's trying to go at 276, thinking it could be a deep and rip, so added here. Then scaled up, but seems like it's also a pickup. Came all the way back down, but thankfully I got out last position at 281, which is alright. XYF is a sympathy of JRJC and HX, all those China stuff, but yeah, they're really choppy. So yeah, I got in this area, then I got out, but it went even higher, but just to play safe since a lot of them flushes. So kind of a break-even trade, or not even a trade since it's just 2 cents, but it's better than nothing. Got a 10 cent of it. DBGI, I couldn't see the ticker, but not sure what's wrong with it. Maybe it halted or something. But DBGI, yeah, I got in at 330, and then I got out at 319. So overall, that's all for today's day recap. Nothing much to say. It's my 4th red day in a row, and yeah, it's the 4th red day in a row. So when I see a move like this that could potentially bounce back me with all my previous 3 red days, I immediately hop in, thinking we could see a nice move going since it's going crazy on a scanner too. But I guess that's not it, as you can see. I even not average. I even added onto a loser, thinking if it could bounce to a VWAP, I could get safe, but no. So yeah, really unfortunate. Another, I would say, a big red day since I'm only left with 100 buying power. Hopefully tomorrow there will be some going back from the unsettled cash. But for now, this is yet another red day, and this makes the 4th red day in a row. So I'm feeling very frustrated. That's why I basically just got out of all my position and decided to close everything down to prevent myself from making any impulse purchases or chase any runners. So I believe this is the best decision, and overall it's just really nasty. A lot of flushes today and a lot of pickups. Look at all this. Like, this is basically from, they went out as high as 25 and then it came all the way down to 16, which is insane. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the daily recap here. Hopefully you guys traded much better than me, and the best of all is to not trade on a day like this. So yeah, I basically have nothing much to add today. Feeling pretty frustrated. A really bad trading day, but it happens. And although I've been saying to spread out my red days, I could have walked away green yesterday after the first 2 trades, and then I could also walk off green. Okay, the first trade was red, but I did got back my profit. I did get back green here, but I chose not to walk away, and then just unfortunate. Like, I could have walked off both days with about $1, which is 0.2%, but I was too greedy. Like, I'm thinking since it's already 3 red day and 3 slow days, today all the momentum will be here, but I was wrong. So this is like a coin flip. Like, if it's 3 hits in a row, you'll be thinking the next one will be tail, but technically speaking, the 4th one is still 50-50. So it could be slow, it could be having momentum, but yeah, unfortunately. So this is like the 4 tails in a row, which is 4 red days and 4 really, I mean, there's some momentum, but look at this. So, and this is off just a 1 minute candle. It went from 22 to 1870. So yeah, and HX has been touching me for a couple of days. However, as you can see from their daily, they usually go this way and then they will go for a new high into the end. So if you look at yesterday HX, the opening was disgusting. Like, went flush but slowly creep up around 1 plus post lunch, and then it went even further up. So this area was 10, and that by the end of it, it was 15, I think. It was 20. So I mean, now I'm telling myself maybe I should take a position here at 16 and see how it goes, but I don't really like this daily so far, and I doubt that you went all the way back up. That means that you have a really low, really long bottom tail, so unlikely. And just not to make any more trades, because I believe I'm pretty frustrated now and kind of tilted, so it's best to just walk away here and accept the loss. And there are still days left in this month, so hopefully we can turn this October small challenge around. However, for my main account, I think I'm break even. I'm up like just 20 bucks on my main account, so it's kind of a break even day. But I'm just frustrated that this is the 4th red day in this October small account challenge, which I have high expectation on, since the previous IBKR, the small account challenge, I did pretty well. The account was up like 8%. However, for this account so far, it's in the red, and the red days are getting larger. So because I decided to size up, but seems like this week there isn't much going on. So yeah, there's nothing much more to add, and maybe you guys can drop in the comments section like what trades do you guys take. So yeah, usually when I'm training these many tickers, it's never good, but I still keep doing it. And maybe I should stop coming in at 7:30 now, since last month I came in at 7:30 and I managed to get a lot of nice trades, but not with the market like this now. Maybe I should start coming in at 8:30 again and see how it goes. So we'll just see how tomorrow is, and tomorrow is Friday, so not hopeful, since Friday and Mondays are usually the lower percentage trading days. So yep, just gonna end here. So take it easy guys, as usual. Stay safe, trade safe, peace.